Who is the professional athlete that offered you $15 million to deflower you?
I can't say.
Why?
Because I'm going to get in so much trouble.
Here's what's going to happen. I'm going to ask you again, and you're going to say their name in a rhyme, like something that rhymes with. So you don't say it, and then we will figure it out.
Or McKeel Boniel.
Right.
Oh my gosh, but that's so obvious. I can't.
What?
I can't.
Did we get it?
I mean, you'll never know.